Okay, so this is the second part of our series of ailments. And let's do something that is very common, and that is depression with anxiety. Okay? These are very modern problems. People are going on medications like Zoloft and Lexapro and all these medications in order to make themselves feel better. The problem is, sometimes you feel much better, but there are many side effects, and they don't cure the problem. Okay? You still have, some people have been on these drugs forever, and they gain weight, and they have sex problems, and anyway, I'm offering a way to cure. Now, the most important part when it comes to depression and anxiety is other complaints. Really, really help. So for instance, let's just say you come in and you say, listen, I'm a sad person and I worry a lot and I'm a mom, okay? But you also get headaches, right? And you're also fatigued. Those problems become most important. And the reason is, homeopathic medicine is based on the conditions of life that make you better or worse. If you think about it, when you're ill and you have a disease, the reason why those symptoms come up is because certain conditions become hard for you, right? Your sense of smell gets too much. You can't handle the cold. When you have back pain, it's hard to bend and run, all right? So you come in, you say, listen, I'm sad, I'm anxious, and I have headaches, and then I'm going to ask you, I'm going to give you a sheet, and it's going to ask you about your temperature, about the positions that make you better and worse. Okay, it's going to ask you about your moving. It's going to ask you about your perception. Does touch or light or rubbing and pressure make it better? What about your digestion and eating? So for instance, many people who have headaches will say, light makes me worse. I'm better when I lay down. I feel better with pressure on my head. Okay? And then from there, there'll be a certain amount of homeopathic medicines that will give you. The homeopathic medicines come in drops, and they're very dilute, they're non-toxic and non-addictive, okay? They're not drugs, and by taking this, they will make you better. All right, so the first part is, by looking at other complaints and being aware of other complaints, your depression and anxiety will be better. So in other words, I need a medicine that has worse from light, better from pressure, better from laying down, and has sadness and worry. Okay, and then I find the homeopathic medicine. All right, so that's next part. We'll try another ailment in a second.